Hey everyone, let's take a look at Ethereum for a moment here. This is going to be on the daily time frame. To start off with, the thing that I'm looking at is I do believe if we don't hold support at this strong level right here, about 32.86, this gets a bit ugly for Ethereum. And the reason being, let's point out a couple things just to start. If we look left, this is a strong level of support in the past. When we've broke through this, this has acted as a strong level that we've just fallen off a cliff almost before we've actually gained any momentum back to then have an increase to the upside. The other thing that I'm looking at right now too is when we have our linear regression channel snapped on this chart, we're in an overall bear market momentum. We're not shifting to the upside, we're shifting to the downside. When we're in these top red sections, this means the price typically will see a downfall, just as we are right now. Now, the other thing I want to draw your attention to is look at the dashboard down here. This will tell you the overall market momentum, money movement, and also key EMA crossovers. So to start off with, money movement, this white line, when this is shifting out of the market and shifting down, that means money is flowing out of the market and the price is going to be heading out. When this is shifting in an upper direction, that means the price is going to be shifting up. So right now, we're still actually heading out of the market. In our middle band, this represents overall market momentum within this section. So for example, this is green right here. You can tell when this shifted to green, this is where you want to be buying and holding. This is where you make money in the market. Again, right here, green section, this is where you buy and you hold. These green dots and red dots, these are key EMA crossovers that are coded into this system as well to say to look for a further potential either to the upside when you have all three of these in combination. Your money momentum shifting up, you have a green middle band, and you have a green dot. Great entry. That's where you want to be looking for long. Again, right here, all in three combination, entry, you go long. Right now, we're still actually in this pattern where we've actually had more red sell EMA crossovers to the downside. Our middle band is bearish and our money momentum is still shifting out. So if we don't hold this area right here, this doesn't look great for Ethereum. Now the biggest question is, okay, if this keeps heading in this direction, where does it go? Where is the biggest and strongest level of support in the market? So let's do this. Let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Turn on our support and resistance indicator under the inputs here. Let's go and do enable support. Let's go over to style here. Let's go and take off these lines for a second to make this chart cleaner. And let's just look. The strongest level of support is not going to be until we hit this area of around 25 cents. Excuse me, $25, not 25 cents. $25 right around this area, you can tell this is a strong level of support where we bounced 3 times off approximately around this level. So if you're currently in Ethereum, you may want to just either, if you have funds, look for this area to do a dollar cost average into to add to it, but just be careful with how much you're holding right now until you get a confirmation down here of your middle band. If this starts shifting over to green, that's your first indication to say, okay, we are getting out of a bear market momentum. We are now into green bull market momentum. This could be a spot where then I can add to a position to make money on the way up. Right now, we're not currently in that position, so a further decrease on Ethereum can still happen by the end of this week and continuing to next week if this doesn't turn around. So just keep an eye on it. This is a video just to say keep an eye on Ethereum. I do think we could see a shift lower if we don't hold this level of support, but just keep an eye on your bottom dashboard indicator here. You guys, all these indicators come for life. These are lifetime access. You never have to pay a monthly service fee. It's one time up front and you get it for life. You also get a private Discord where I'm giving trade callouts every single week on stocks, crypto, and forex. Everything that you guys need to become more successful and educated in the market. Thank you guys so much for following. Have a great rest of your day.